Good morning. I want to do a quick video on this 2019 Lamborghini Aventador LP 750. Just wanted to do a quick walk around, show you exactly what we're doing. So you know, when the video is made, our state just went into a 21-day lockdown for the corona. So if you got the corona, I got the Lyme, we're all good. Anyways, car's ready to go, 100% complete. We finished it in December and we were going to sell it first of spring. And ta-da, the corona happened. So it's still for sale. It's available. If you want to come see it in person, you can. Or if you'd like to see detailed pictures and or another video, just give me a holler and we'll be happy to do it for you. Anyway, wanted to do a quick walk around, let you know what you got here. LS2, 500 horsepower, headers, 4L60E automatic. Thing's just a monster. This is one of those cars that you sit down and shut up and put your head to the back of the seat, because that's where it's going to end up anyways. It will peel your eyelids to the back of your head. It is fast, no doubt about it. Everything custom, full replica package, exactly what you want, all the style, all the fun of the real Lamborghini, but it's all Chevy underneath. Thanks for watching the video.